Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 19th day of February 2026. And it's a trade taken in the room today by myself and other traders live. So here we go. The setup is this. We always look for our strong candle indicator, especially after a bunch of failure at a brick wall. We go ahead and see that we have a very strong candle sitting right here going in the opposite direction. We'll put a cover order on, wait for the retrace. If we can bring it down to the body of the candle, we will, and we'll take it long. So there we go. Look at the PVI. We are trading the S&P 500. Normally, our videos feature the NASDAQ, but today we got a bunch of strong candles on the S&P 500. The PVI is 32, so I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 30 and 40 ticks in length. I'll pair my ATM to that. I'm looking for a 25% first target of eights, and then we'll put our runners as multiples of that. So we're looking for eights, 16s, and 32s. And there we go. So this is how it all went down in the room today. Oh, a little early, but that's all right. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. It's the last major failure point. It's down here. And now we just wait. Since we did get picked up in the trade, we'll go ahead and speed up the result. We'll go to 4 times market speed. And you'll see we'll de-risk the trade as soon as we hit our first target. So 8s, 16s, and 32s is what we're after. And here we go. We're a little bit early. Should let it push down a little bit more, but it is what it is. We only have to hold our risk until our first target is out. And once this gets going, it does pick up a head of speed fairly quickly. All right, so eights are out. Stop comes to -7. Now we do have to get another order ready. If this does come back and take us out at break even, because we're in a break even position right now, then we can always decide whether or not we want to put another order on. So the first 2 targets are out. Usually takes a little bit longer to grab that third target, but I think it went rather quickly. Okay, that particular trade took about 6.5 minutes to complete and was worth 812 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 812 US dollars in 6.5 minutes, come and join us at the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you're going to find the unique indicators for strong candle indicators right here. It's a great indicator to use. Here's another beautiful one right here. Same thing. We had failure. Wait for a pushback. A beautiful trade that going that way as well. So come and join us in the live trading room. We look forward to seeing you then. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.